Welcome to Research Made Simple with Dr. Lin, where complex research becomes clear, practical, and manageable. Alam mo, research is not really difficult because people are not intelligent. Most of the time, nahihirapan tayo because we feel overwhelmed. Biglang may variables, framework, methodology, statistics, or sampling. Parang ang daming unfamiliar terms na kailangang maintindihan agad. And times, we pressure ourselves too much to sound academic na nakakalimutan natin that research is simply a systematic way of answering a problem. Honestly, one of the hardest parts of research is starting. Yung tititig ka lang sa blank document, wondering kung paano magsisimula. But here's the news. Research becomes easier when you stop chasing perfection and start focusing on clarity, purpose, and progress. Because every great researcher started as a beginner too. This is Research Made Simple with Dr. Lin. Follow for more easy and practical research guidance.